Ever wondered how to source high-quality products from reliable suppliers, streamline your e-commerce operations, and boost your profits? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of dropshipping, and specifically, we're exploring the advantages of using Spocket. This innovative platform has revolutionized the way online businesses operate, offering a host of benefits that can significantly impact your success. Advantage 1. Global product sourcing made easy. Diverse product catalog. Spocket connects you to a vast network of suppliers from around the world, providing access to a diverse range of products. From trendy fashion items to tech gadgets, you can find it all on Spocket. High-quality products. The platform meticulously curates its supplier base, ensuring that you only source products that meet high-quality standards. This helps maintain customer satisfaction and build a strong brand reputation. Advantage 2. Streamlined order fulfillment. Automated order processing. Spocket automates the order fulfillment process, saving you time and effort. Once a customer places an order on your store, the platform automatically forwards it to the supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. Real-time inventory sync. With real-time inventory synchronization, you can always keep your product listings up to date. This prevents stockouts and ensures a smooth shopping experience for your customers. Advantage 3. Competitive pricing and high profit margins. Competitive pricing. Spocket offers competitive pricing on a wide range of products, allowing you to offer attractive prices to your customers while maintaining healthy profit margins. Flexible pricing. You have the flexibility to set your own prices, giving you control over your profit margins and allowing you to optimize your pricing strategy. Advantage 4. Easy-to-use interface. User-friendly dashboard. Spocket's user-friendly dashboard makes it easy to manage your products, orders, and suppliers. With a few clicks, you can add products to your store, track order statuses, and communicate with suppliers. Intuitive features. The platform offers a range of intuitive features, such as product filtering, search functionality, and customizable product pages, making it easy to create a professional online store. Advantage 5. Reliable customer support. Dedicated support team. Spocket has a dedicated support team that is always ready to assist you with any questions or issues you may encounter. Whether you need help with product sourcing, order fulfillment, or technical problems, the support team is there to help. Spocket is a powerful tool that can help you take your e-commerce business to the next level. By streamlining your operations, increasing your profit margins, and providing a seamless shopping experience for your customers, Spocket can be a game changer for your online store. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.